Good afternoon. Welcome to Matching a Zoo Hub class. Okay, today we are looking at still order of operation part 2 of the fraction. That is our yesterday class. Okay, so simplify 3 whole number 1 over 5 times 2 whole number 3 over 4 divided by in bracket 2 over 3 of 1 whole number 3 over 8. Don't forget BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So as you can see from here, we are going to start. Okay, let's have solution. So I can bring it down, which we are having 3 whole number 1 over 5 times 2 whole number 3 all over 4 divided by in bracket 2 all over 3 of 1 whole number 3 over 8 is the equation. So the first one we are doing here is brackets. That's a bracket. Since we have bracket and there is of also, which I said that of in math simply means multiplication. So we are going to ignore this one. We work on this. That is 2 all over 3 times, we change this to improper fraction. 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 plus 3, we are having 11 all over 8. Good. So we look at this. Yeah, 2 can divide each 7 divide 8. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2, we are having 4. 1 times 11 is 11. 3 times 4, which is what? 12. So this bracket now becomes 11 over 12. Don't forget that. So we are going to bring this one down. Bring it down. Okay. While bringing it down, we can change to improper fraction. That is giving us 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1. We are having 16 all over the 5 times 2 times 4, which is 8. And 8 plus 3 is giving us 11 all over 4. Don't forget the sign of division is here. So we put divided by, I'll bring this one down now to 11 all over 12. You see? Good. Now, don't forget I told you in our previous video that division turns to multiplication, and by the time it does, this one will overturn. That means this goes up and this comes down. So we are now having 16 all over 5 times 11 all over 4 times, I told you this will go up now, 12 all over 11. You can see 11 is here, so 11 can take care of itself. 4 and 16. 16 divided by 4, which is what? 4. And 4 divided itself, of course, is 1. Okay? That's all. So 4 times 12, we are having 48. And 5 times 1 is 5. This is improper fraction. We can change this to mixed fraction, which is 48 divided by 5. That will give us 9 times 5. And 9 times 5 is 45. We are left with 3 here. That means 3 all over 5. So the answer to question 1 is 9 whole number 3 all over 5. We move to question number 4. It says evaluate 1 whole number 2 over 3 plus 4 whole number 3 over 4 all over 4 whole number 1 over 6 minus 1 whole number 1 over 4. So in this case, the first thing to do here, whenever you see a fraction that is like this, is you have to separate this. This becomes 1 whole number 2 all over 3 plus 4 whole number 3 all over 4. This sign simply means sign of division. See, all over means division. So it's divided by 4 whole number 1 over 6 minus 1 whole number 1 over 4. Are you seeing this? So we work on this, then work on this. Is that okay? So this, let's find the LCM of 3 and 4. The LCM of 3 and 4, which is what? 12. 1 plus 4 is giving us 5. And the LCM, which is 12. Okay. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. The same thing here. 12 divided by 4, we have 3. 3 times 3, we have 9. So in this case, we are now having 8 plus 9, which is giving us what? 17. So 5 whole number, 17 all over 12. Good. Let's work on this side as well. The LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Remember, 4 minus 1 is 3. Good. So we have 12 as the LCM. 12 divided by 6, which is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. and 12 divided by 4, which is what? Which is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Good. Okay, the sign of division here. Now we are progressing. But look here, 2 minus 3 is not possible. We have to borrow from here. That one we borrow becomes the same thing as the denominator. Remember, you can first change this in first also. You can change it first of all to improper fraction, or just work on this. 2 minus 3 is not possible. We borrow one from here, and we are left with what? With 2 whole numbers. So divided by 2 whole number. That one you borrowed, it turns to the same thing as the denominator, which will have 12. So 12 plus 2, we now have what? 14. And 14 minus 3, which is giving us what? 11 over 12. I repeat, we borrow one here, we are left with 2, which is this. That one you borrow becomes what? 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 minus 3, we are having 11 all over 12. You can see we are progressing. Good. So we continue. Now, this is not division sign. We change this one and this one, change them all to improper fraction. 12 times 5 is 60, and 60 plus 17, we are having 77 all over 12. Let's change this. Okay, let's put the sign of division first. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 plus 11, that is giving us 35. 35 all over 12, as you can see. Okay, so this now becomes 77 all over 12. This we change to sign of multiplication. 12 all over 35. Okay, 12 take care of itself. Good. So look at this. What can go in here? What can divide here? 7 can divide. 7 can divide itself, and 7 can divide 77 and divide 35. So 7 into 77 is giving us 7 times. That is 7 times 11. Okay, and 7 into here is giving us what? 5. So we are left with 11 all over what? 5. So we can change this also to mixed fraction. 11 divided by 5 is giving us what? 2 whole number, 1 all over 5. So this becomes the answer to question number 2. So I believe you have learned something new today as well. Thank you for today's class. See you in my next class. Bye.